to another video. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Tamaris, and in today's video I am going to show you how to get the look that you see right here. I was able to achieve it using only one palette, and that is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I freaking love this palette. It has become one of my favorites lately. It is a very glamorous peachy rose gold look. Perfect for a date night, perfect for a girls night out, perfect for any occasion. It is very dramatic and very glamorous, which I personally love. You can tone it down without using the glitter, because I did use glitter for this tutorial, but I give you an option of just using the eyeshadow from this palette, but I decided to add the glitter for just a more dramatic effect. I am obsessed with the result. It looks gorgeous. So with no further ado, let's just jump into it. Okay people, so I'm first going to start moisturizing my face. Any moisturizer you have works perfectly fine, but I am using this one by Clinique. Any products that I use are going to be linked in the description down below. To prime my eyelids, I'm using the FitMe concealer in the color Sand. I first started blending it out with my fingers, but then realized that it is so hard, and I take a sponge, which I usually do. Next, I take the banana powder from the Anastasia contour kit, and I'm using this to set my eyelids. I am now going to take this Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced, and I'm taking the color Georgia, and this is a very light dusty pink. I'm buffing this all over my crease very effortlessly and loosely. Next, I'm taking the color Candied Peach, and I'm going to basically map out where I want my crease to be. Because I have hooded eyes, my crease, it's basically a no-show sometimes. So I'm basically mapping where I want to give the appearance of where my crease is at, if I make any sense at all. But you can see in the video. I'm then going to take the color Bellini, and this is my lid color. I would use only this if I wasn't using the glitter as my lid color, but I decided to give it a little oomph, and I added the glitter later. But this is a beautiful color. It is kind of duochrome. It has that gold, peach, pink duochrome effect. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I am then going to take 3 shades. I'm taking Charmed I'm Sure, Summer Yum, and Candied Peach, and I'm using this as my outer corner color. I don't know why I mixed 3, but it pretty much gave me the color that I was looking for. I didn't want anything too cool, too warm, and I didn't want to take away from the peach, so I decided, why not? Let's just do a little concoction there and mix it all together. Why not? Why not? I go back several times. I add color, blend, add color, blend. You could do that as many times as you want. Then I lose a little bit of the lid, so I go back with my finger just to make it pop a little bit more. And I do this several times, so take your time, blend as many times as you need, and add more color, and repeat. And now let's move on with the face. I'm taking the Makeup Forever Step 1 Base. This is the smoothing primer. It basically fills in your pores, and since I'm dry as a desert, I'm taking the Too Faced RX Hangover primer, And for foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I do not know the color, but I'll link it down below. And I'm mixing it with my Josie Maran Argan Iluminizer just to give that glow, beautiful glow that I feel like everybody should get. I used to be so against Illuminizers, but lately I've been loving it. So I mix it together and apply it with my trusty dandy beauty blender. And for concealer, I'm going back to my trusty and also wonderful FitMe concealer. This is my favorite concealer in the whole wide world. I'm using it in the color medium, and I'm going ham with concealer today. I do not know what happened. I got carried away, but you know, you put it whatever you feel like you should put it. I put it on my under eye, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And before I blend it out, I've been spraying the Badescu rose water. I cannot live without this spray. It is cool. It is wonderful. You need it. It is goals. You need it in your life. You have to get it. Perfect for setting, perfect for before applying makeup, perfect for blending out concealer. I just love it for anything and everything. Great for refreshing your makeup and taking away that powdery look that usually we get. Yeah, I've been loving it. And to bake, I'm using the FitMe loose powder in the color light medium, I believe, or light sand. I don't know, it's gonna be linked down below. And I am also going ham with this powder. I don't know what happened. I felt like going overboard, and here I am doing the most. For bronzer, I'm using the Bahama Mama, the best bronzer in the world. Perfect cool tone bronzer in my opinion. I love it to carve out my cheekbones. As you can see, look how sharp and on point my freaking cheekbones look. Love this bronzer. You should get it if you don't have it. If you are wondering what shade you need, this is the only bronzer you need in your life. Period. For bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep. You don't need to do this step. I'm just doing it because I'm extra like that, and I was looking kind of white. I was looking hella white, as a matter of fact, so I'm just giving it a little bit more warmth to the face. And for blush, I'm using the Flower Peach Primrose blush. My favorite blush at the moment. Perfect peach color. I absolutely love it. My favorite for sure. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove all the excess powder that we have left from the baking. And then we're gonna move on with the glitter. I'm using the Rose Gold Retro from the Stila new Magnificent glitter thingies. It was fairly easy to use it. I really liked it. I'm not not big for doing glitter, but this made it so easy to do it. I am absolutely in love. This is my first time using this eyeshadow, and it was a success. I'm taking the color Candied Peach and I'm running that on my lower lash line just to give it a little bit of color down there. And my liner, my liquid liner, I did off camera because I was having a bad liner day. And I believe this is the Voluminous Star. I don't recall, but any mascara that you have will do the trick because we're doing lashes, so no one will see that. So don't fear. I'm using the Demi Wispy lashes, and I'm using the Duo in the dark color, and I'm being extra here, and hey, lashes are on. Then running the color Summer Yum on my lower lash line as well, really close to my lower lash line, basically using it as liner.
And for my lashes, for my eyebrows, I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil in the color Banging Brunette. I am loving this pencil. It makes it so easy to do my eyebrows, and it is so tiny, pigmented, perfect. I love it. If you haven't tried it, you should, because girl, it is only $6, so you cannot go wrong with that. I definitely recommend it. Look at that. Look how easy those brows are coming to life. Goals. I'm then going to spray my Badescu water once again before I apply my highlighter. I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter in the Molten Golden. I love this highlighter. It is blinding. It is out there. The stars will see you shine. I'm using it as my inner corner highlight as well as my brow bone highlight because I am being extra. It is an extra day. For lip liner, I'm using World by MAC. It's a lip liner. I mean, any lip liner would do. I'm doing more of a peachy color, so that's why I'm going with this one. And for lipstick, I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics in the color Tequila Sunrise. I love this coral peachy color. It is outstanding. And then I'm using the Butter Gloss. I do not recall the name. I'm gonna list it down below. Right now I'm in my kitchen, that's why I'm talking so low, because baby Austin, he's playing around there, and the minute he sees me, it's over. And to finish this look, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish, my favorite setting spray at the moment.
So I hope you guys like the final look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share, because sharing is caring. Don't forget that. I'll see you guys on my next video. Sincerely, Tamaris. Bye guys.